हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च ग्रुप फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबलू या you have the experience of methodologies like agile, scrum, then certainly you can apply for these job posts। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। और आज की जो जॉब्स मैंने पिक करी हैं, दीज आर फ्रॉम टॉप एमएनसीज लाइक इन्फोसिस, जेनपैक्ट, डिलॉयट एक्सेट्रा। आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any single opportunity related to data analytics, business analytics, Power BI developer, SQL developer role, and subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे, उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक भी मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो का कंटेंट पसंद आता है और अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम ये वीडियो वॉच कर रहे हैं, डू लाइक इट, शेयर इट विद योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स एज वेल, सो दैट आपके साथ आपके नीडी फ्रेंड्स की भी हेल्प होगा। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब।
वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च ग्रुप फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे 3 से 4 जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आपने अभी तक ये चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज WEBORITY टेक्नोलॉजीज, हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 0 to 1 year, लोकेशन इज इन गुड़गांव, सैलरी 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, एजुकेशन बैचलर्स डिग्री इन business administration, information system or related fields. So if you are looking for any fresher job opportunity as a business analyst, then you can apply for the job post. About the role, what you need to do as a business analyst over here: collaborate with the stakeholders to understand business objectives and requirements, conduct in-depth analysis for business processes, systems and workflows, create detailed documentation including business requirements, functional specifications, assist in the development and execution of test plans and test cases, monitor and evaluate the performance of implemented solutions to ensure desired outcome are achieved, collaborate with cross-functional teams to drive process improvements and optimize efficiency. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And what you need to have: strong analytical and problem solving skills, proficiency in data analysis and modeling techniques, excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to collaborate effectively with the stakeholders at various levels, proficiency in using business analysis tools and software, knowledge of agile methodologies is a plus. So these are some roles and responsibilities, and if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name IOTECHDESIGNS, hiring for business analyst intern, experience 0 to 1 year, location is Noida, salary 2 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, education BCom honors. So if you're looking for any internship role, then you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: to perform market research in retail and come up with innovative ideas for businesses, writing business requirement documents and product requirement, creating presentations for prospects and businesses, note taking in meetings, suggesting ideas and preparing minutes of meeting. Further, you would be a key contributor to building efficient program systems, and if you think you fit right into help our client navigate their next in their digital transformation journey, this is the place for you. And apart from this, to build automated alerting system for proactive and primitive actions. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: excellent written spoken communication skills, must be a very good market researcher, retail data collection and generation of ideas, must know how to prepare professional business documents and presentations, and for the hardworking and must be eager to learn and grow. So there is no specific coding skills you need to have. It is just basic about your command over English communication skills. Further, if you know how to create presentations, business documents, then you are good to go for this job. And if you are okay for this job post, then you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to this third job, which is for the company name the STEMPEDIA, hiring for business analyst intern, location is in Ahmedabad, experience 0 to 2 year, education pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in business economics, analytics or related field. And if I talk about the salary, they are offering 2 to 4 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Now let's look roles and responsibilities column: market research industry trends, competitor offerings and customer preferences to provide insights that inform strategic decisions. Further, requirement gathering, collaborate with stakeholders to define and document business requirements for new projects. Cross-functional collaboration, work closely with teams such as product development, marketing and sales to understand their needs and support their goals. And then provide data-driven recommendations to guide decision making, improve product offering and enhance customer experience. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business business analyst. And if I talk about the technical skills, what you need to have: strong analytical and problem solving skills with the ability to make data driven decisions. Familiarity with data analysis tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, or similar tools is a plus. Collaborate mindset with the ability to work effectively in cross functional teams. A passion for learning and staying up to date with industry trends and best practices, and ability to adapt to a fast paced and evolving work environment. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. The fourth company in the list is AMDOCS, hiring for business analyst, senior business analyst, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Pune. Education: engineering graduate in computer science, bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, maths or stats, and salary 7 to 10 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. If I talk about the roles and responsibilities: accurately anticipate current and future business requirements to meet the customer needs, ensure high business value based on product capabilities and best practices while ensuring proficient business value between business processes, technology, and people. Demonstrate deep business and technology expertise, identify requirements, assess capability gaps, and propose possible solution approach and or new capabilities that the project, and build positive relationship with the customer, IT, and business partner group at the most senior level of the organization, and become aware with customer IT plans. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst in AMDOCS organization. And if I talk about technical skills, what you need to have: experience in building machine learning algorithms across a diverse range of business problems, good handle of SQL, Excel, scripting language such as Python, Spark, excellent verbal and written communication skills, and experience of working in a fast-paced environment is a plus. So these are some technical skills you need to have. And if you're good to go with this, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name AMEX American Express, hiring for senior business analyst, experience 2+ years. Location is in Gurgaon. Education: bachelor's degree plus 2 years of experience in privacy, data protection, information technology, or privacy compliance, banking, or other regulatory experience preferred. Salary they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Let's look roles and responsibilities column. Participate in the standardization and continuous improvement in the testing procedures, consistently understand and interpret testing requirements, be able to support communication to the regional testing and business teams, and be able to maintain a high level of accuracy, productivity standards, and should have a high willingness to learn. And some technical skills: good hands-on experience, MS Excel, Access, or PowerPoint, strong verbal and written communication skills, and the ability to interact effectively with cross-functional teams. Further, strong interpersonal and project management skills. Candidates should be good on multitasking and time management, ability to build relationships, mobiles, cross-functional teams, and leverage authority in a high metrics organization that has a presence across the globe, and knowledge of MX in business and systems such as Genesis, SMAC, Cadence is an advantage. So these are some technical skills you need to have if you are applying for the job post. And if you are good to go with the job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Now let's move to the sixth job, which is for the company named Jetpack, a well-known consulting firm, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years. Location is in Gurgaon. Education: BTech or MBA. Salary 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: interpret data, analyzing results using statistical techniques, develop and implementing data analysis, data collection system, and other strategies that optimize statistical efficiency and quality. Identify, analyze, and interpret trends or patterns in complex data sets, and further integrate multiple data sources into one visualization to tell a story. Work with management to prioritize business and information needs. Demonstrate analytics and visualization tools to present information in a way that drive fact-based decision making, and develop analytical reports and represent large complex sets of data through visual representation. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if I'll talk about some technical skills, the technical expertise regarding data models, database design, development, data mining, and segmentation techniques. A strong knowledge of experience with reporting packages such as Excel, business object, database, SQL, MS Access, and Python, R, and data visualization tools. And analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and disseminate significant amount of information with attention to detail and accuracy. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're good to go with the job, you can apply by clicking on this link which is available in the description box. Seventh company in the list is Pattern, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, location in Pune, education bachelor's degree, preferably in the finance, data management, computer science, or economic, salary 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. Roles and responsibilities: perform comprehensive data analysis and market research to understand trends, challenges, and opportunities in the digital and e-commerce sectors. Further, collaborate with teams across Pattern to design and implement impactful digital transformation strategies. Use advanced analytics tools to derive insights and inform strategic decisions. Further, track and evaluate the performance of digital projects, offering insights and recommendations for optimization. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And some required skills: perform comprehensive data analysis and market research to understand trends, challenges, and opportunities in the digital and e-commerce space. Use advanced analytical tools to derive insights and inform strategic decisions. Further, lead and support digital marketing and e-commerce initiatives from concept to execution, and track and evaluate the performance of digital projects, offering insights. So these are some roles and responsibilities, and you can check this link which is available in the description box. Students, these are 7 jobs for this week for a business analyst or business analyst intern role. Do press the like button if this video is helpful, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And I would also request you to share this video to your needy friends as well, so that they can also get the benefit from this video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.